can't sleep at night, I toss and turn, listen to my telephone. And when I get your call, I'm up so tough, can't believe you called my home.
And as a matter of fact, you blow my mind. You won't even talk to me, because a girl like you is like a dream come true, a real love fantasy.
No matter what your friends try to tell you, we were meant to fall in love, and we could be together any kind of weather. It's like that, it's like that. Every little step I take, you will be there. Every little step I make, we'll be together. Every little step I take, you will be there. Every little step I make, we'll be together. Fine, fine, fine. Yeah, Ooh, got the press, girl, you turn me on. I wonder if I could take you home.
I must confess, those skirts that you wear, I just can't help it, baby.
I can't help but stare. Throw on the DJ, pump it up a little more. Hey girl, I gotta let you know that you got that vibe, vibe, vibe. Girl, you got that vibe, vibe, vibe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Said Joe got it, got that vibe. Nancy's got it,
I got that vibe.
Sterling got it,
I got that vibe.
I know y'all got it. Hey, said Kel got it, got that vibe. Sarah's got it, got that vibe. Marcus got it, got that vibe. I know you got it.
Sing along.
Vibe, vibe, give it to me, baby. Yeah.
Stop the vibe.
Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Mark, and if you like that video,
And you want to watch more cool clips from CBBC?
just click on Sam.
What? No, don't click on me. Just click on the link below, guys, okay?
Or head over to the CBBC website.